You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where we dive into the real-world challenges and exciting possibilities of relocating overseas, and how SDC International Moving helps families and individuals navigate that journey with confidence. Why ship your car with your belongings? Well, it saves money. Combining your car and household items into a single container reduces the need for two separate shipping methods or companies. Streamlined customs. You'll handle one set of paperwork, one shipping timeline, and one customs process. Peace of mind. Your car and personal items stay together from your driveway to your new home overseas. This option is especially popular with families relocating for the long term, digital nomads, or retirees bringing their favorite vehicle abroad. Here's how it works. When SDC handles your combined move, this is what you can expect. The vehicle is securely blocked, braced, and loaded first into the container. Your household goods are packed and loaded around or above it. We handle all custom documentation, including title clearance and VIN inspection. Your container is sealed and delivered directly to your new address or a destination warehouse. Not all moving companies can coordinate this level of precision, but it's something we do weekly from ports like Long Beach and San Diego. Can all vehicles be shipped? Most standard sedans, SUVs, and motorcycles fit in a 20 to 40 container. Larger vehicles, like overseas trucks, RVs, or boats, may require a separate shipment. Here's an important thing to note. To avoid import taxes in many countries, your vehicle often needs to have been owned for at least 6 months before shipping. We help you check destination-specific requirements before you ship. Thanks for joining us today. SDC International Moving is here to help you get home, no matter the distance. Give us a call today or check out our website.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.